Okay, calculator is here. Another example, a little bit different example, but still is about compound interest. And so far, every time we were calculating, the rate was given per year, right? It was annual rate. But sometimes the rate may be different. You know, the interest may be compounded yearly or semi-annually or quarterly or monthly, even daily. All right. If it is like less than a day, then it will be continuous interest. About continuous interest, we'll talk in chapter 10. So now in this example, find the compound interest on $2,500 for 1 year at 4% per annum, compounded monthly. Okay. Usually when banks offer rates, the rate is annual rates. All right. So if you want your interest get compounded like monthly or quarterly or something like that, so they will make some adjustment to the formula. What is it? That A is equal to P times 1 plus R over N times T. Okay. Why is it so? Because here that A is equal to P. Here we have 1 plus R over N times T. Okay. If this one is, let's say, monthly, right, and the rate is annual rates, right? So if annual rate, just example, if it is 12%, that is per annum, per year, all right. And this rate, when you convert this into monthly rates, this will be 12 over 12%, right? Because in 1 year we have 12 months, so that is equal to 1% per month. Okay, this one is per month. So this is how we make adjustment to the rates. Now, since it is per month, right? So at the end of each month, your interest is compounded. And now how many times is it going to be compounded in 1 year? 12 times. And that's why here this time is 1, and how many times? 12 times. Okay, this one is the number of compoundings. Okay, this one is number of periods. Okay, in 1 year, how many periods? We have 12 because it is compounded 12 times. Okay, so in this kind of question, you need to use this formula. For this question, okay, principal is given, it is $2,500, right? In 1 year, time is 1 year, right? And the rate is 4% per annum. Per annum is per year. Or that's equal to 0.04 per annum. Okay. What is the question? The question is compound interest. So we need to find compound interest. And to do this one, we know that we need to find A first. If you evaluate A, amount is equal to P1 plus, because of this, that's equal to R over N times T, which is equal to principal 2,500, 1 plus rate, it is this, right? Rate is 12. Is it 12? No, no, it's rate is 4%. So it is 0.04 over N. How many times during this given time? In 1 year we have 12 months, so it is 12 times. So we should divide it by 12. And here N is equal to 12. 12 times. What is the how many years? 1 year only. It is 1. Okay. So that is equal to. Now we are using calculator. We can evaluate this. It is 2,500 times open brackets 1 plus fraction 0.04 is divided by 12 and close the bracket to the power 12, right? Which is equal to 2601.853. So that is 85, correct, two decimal places. Okay, so that is the amount. That's our first step. And second step is we need to find compound interest. Compound interest is equal to A minus P, and A is equal to 2601.85 minus it is 2500, which is equal to 101.85 dollars. All right, so this is how we calculate for this kind of questions. Okay, and once again here, what is R? This is per annum, and this N is number of periods. Okay, and all right, that's all. Guys, if you have any question about this, you may ask. Don't be shy. Otherwise, we'll talk about something different. That's all about simple interest and compound interest. Okay? Okay then. Our next topic is about Hirepurchase. 26 participants. And do we have anybody waiting? I don't think so. Just check this. Nobody. Good. Hirepurchase. Okay, next topic is Hirepurchase. Now, this is another method of buying goods. All right. As you see in the example, there's a kind of ad, maybe in a shopping mall, in EO mall, whatever. All right. It says for sale, $4,500, $1,000 deposit, and the balance 7%, and for 2 years. Okay. And this is some kind of, what is it, business advertisements. And not everybody understands when they look at this ad, okay, what do they mean? But if we have some knowledge about this Hirepurchase thing, we can understand what they mean, right? What they mean here is, here, if you want to buy this set of furniture, just pay $4,500 and you can take this, it is yours. All right. And it says that we have another option, second option. If you don't want to pay in cash, or if you cannot pay in cash, we have another option. Now pay $1,000. All right, just pay $1,000 and you can just take home. All right. And the remaining part, they have to add this 7% interest that is called flat rates. Okay. And we can just spread this over specific period of time. Here we have 2 years. So like, for example, let's say this is 3,500. And when it just adds this interest, it is, let's say, 4,000. And if you just divide this into 24 months, how much is about, let's say, $200 or $180. So every month you need to pay $180 to clear your debt. So at the end of, actually, if you just pay off all the balance, at the end of these 2 years, then this set of furniture will be yours. Okay, until you clear your debts, actually, you pay off the balance, it is just merely the hire of this furniture. Okay, it is something like that. This is how we should understand this. So we now, in this part of the chapter, we're going to talk about this kind of purchase. We call this Hirepurchase because you're not buying in cash. All right. Okay. Hirepurchase is a method of buying goods in which payment of purchase price is spread over a specified period of payment. Period by payment of an initial deposit, that $1,000, it was our deposit, and followed by a regular installments. Okay, especially now we will learn how to find this regular installment. How do you find this? And deposit of $1,000 is called a down payment, is just DP. Okay, sometimes no down payment is required. So the whole cost is paid by installments only. Okay, And I'll get back to this question again. Now, these days, a lot of people are doing hire purchase, right? Because especially when they buy a car, when they buy a house, right? For example, if you want to buy a flat, which is about, let's say, $100,000. And a lot of people may not have that much money now, but they have regular income and they are going to buy this on hire purchase. So they just pay some amount, let's say how much? $20,000 and the rest $80,000, and they make a kind of agreement with the company. Okay, so you're going to pay this amount in how many years? 5 years or 10 years or 15 years or 30 years, depending on this. They will calculate monthly installment, and they let you know at the end of each month how much you should pay to the bank or to the owner of the house to clear your debts. Okay, and this is also one example for hire purchase. Another way is also in Cambodia, a lot of people are doing this. You want to buy, that's an iPhone, right? If you go to your mall, you will see that, okay, down payment is this much and monthly installment is this much. You will see this about $47. Maybe in 2 years you have to pay this. So before you get this, you need to pay maybe around $100 or $200. These are all hire purchase. Okay, so in this question, how should we understand this? For sale, $4,500. All right, we have nothing to do here. So this one is, we just call this cash price. Cash price. Okay, don't get confused with cost price, but here we are talking about this. So this cash price. So this one is deposit, that is down payment. Okay, so this is a balance, 7%, 2 years. So how can we find here, cash price is this, how can we find now hire purchase price? Okay, and it says that balance 7%, 2 years means if you are buying on hire purchase, then you need to pay some amount extra, right? Because you're not paying cash. How much is that 7%? So this already you paid this $1,000, right? It is 3,500 left. So this additional amount will be, let me just write here that amount, it is I is equal to P. What is P? It is we have to pay 3,000. We were supposed to pay, and we cannot pay this because of this. And our rate is 0.07 times for how many years? It is 2, which is equal to 7,000 times 0.07, which is equal to $490. Okay, so because we cannot pay cash, so that's why we are paying this much amount, right? What is the advantage of buying on hire purchase terms? We are not paying in cash, right? We are just paying small amount, but a bit for a long period of time, monthly. So now, how much actually we need to pay by the end of, we will have paid by the end of 2 years, we have to pay this 3,500 plus and the 490, which is equal to $3,990. So still, we owe this much to the company, right? Now it says that 2 years, 2 years. In 2 years, what is 2 years? 2 years is 24 months. So now if I evaluate here, monthly installment is equal to the total amount we have to pay, that is 3,990 over, and how many months we are going to do this? 24 months, which is equal to 3,990 is divided by 24. That's equal to $166.25. Okay, so now after paying $1,000, we can take this set of furniture home, and starting next month, at each month you're going to pay this much money only. Okay, because you have salary at the end of each month, you get your salary and immediately pay this amount to the company, and at the end of 2 years this will be yours. Okay, and this way of buying things, we call this hire purchase. All right, that's all about hire purchase. And let's see how many examples we have. Maybe 2 examples. Okay, that is enough. Another example, a washing machine is priced at $450. Price means this is a cash price. It may be bought on the following hire purchase terms. A deposit of 15%, that is our down payment, right? I'll calculate this. And simple interest of 10 and 2/3% per year over 2 years, that is interest, right? And repayment to be paid monthly. So here, from here, we need to find monthly installment. Okay. And find the monthly installment, the total hire purchase price of the washing machine. So what is down payment? From here we can find that it is 15% of $450, which is equal to 0.15 times 450. That's equal to $67.50. Okay. So we already paid this much. Now 450 minus 67.50. How much left? It is 382.5. So outstanding balance is $382.50. Not outstanding, actually remaining balance. Okay, now or just balance. So now on this amount, they're going to charge interest, right? So that's equal to 382.50 times our rate is this. It is 32/3, 32/3, and times 2 years over 100. Okay, I'm not using as decimal, just like this. So if you just evaluate this, let me just write the answer here. Fraction 382.5 times fraction 32/3 and times 2 and over 100, which is equal to 81.6. Okay. So that means that because we are buying this on hire purchase, we have to pay this additional amount to the cash price. All right. So repayment will be monthly. So the monthly installment then would be, the total amount is this much left, right? We have to pay this. It is 382.50 plus, and also we need to pay that interest. It is 81.60 over, and we are going to pay this amount over 2 years, right? 2 years is 24 months, which is equal to 382.5 plus 81.6, and that's divided by 24, and which is equal to approximately, corrected 2 decimal places, 19.38, 2 decimal places. Okay, so that is our monthly payment. As you see here, so we can buy the washing machine by paying this small amount. All right, we can clear our debts in 2 years. And that is very, how to say, good opportunity to a lot of people who just live on their salary, right? Because at the end of each month you get your salary, you can just save some money and pay this, and still you can get something maybe you cannot afford when you buy this in cash. So the total hire purchase price of the washing machine. What is this? The for question B, total hire purchase price is just cash price plus that interest. Cash price is $450, right? And the interest additionally we are paying 81.60. which is equal to 450 plus 81.6, which is equal to 531.60. Okay. Yeah, very simple question. Monthly installment, we need to pay this amount. The total hire purchase price of the washing machine, we need to pay this amount. So if you pay in cash, you have to pay $450. On hire purchase, you need to pay $531.60. All right. And the company is not losing any money. After all, you are getting this money from the bank. Company still makes its profits. Okay. Here, bank is helping us, and also bank is making some profits on that money. All right, guys, let's so another example. That is the last example about hire purchase, and we will talk about money exchange. That's all for today. Another example is from exercise 8E, question 6, multi-system CTV. It says that it was $2,198, but now it is $1,798. Maybe due to some coronavirus, maybe, I don't know. So they just decrease the price. Okay, maybe it's a kind of promotion. Or it says that $55 monthly, and how many installments? 38 installments, no deposits. Okay, so answer the following questions by referring to the advertisement. Question 8 says that find the percentage discount for payment in cash compared to the original price. Giving your answer correct to 1 decimal place. Okay, it says that find the percentage discount for payment in cash. What is payment in cash? Payment in cash is this, right? If you pay in cash, we have to pay this amount, right? Payment in cash compared to the original price. And what was the original price? And this is the original price, right? And this one is original price. Okay. Give your answer corrected 1 decimal place. Okay. So how we calculate this? Percentage discount is originally it was 2198 minus, now it is 1798, right? And originally it was 2198 times 100%, right? It was this, but now this, on this price, how much discount is offered? That is equal to, so it is fraction 2198 minus 1798 over 2198 and times 100, which is equal to, correct 2 decimal places, it is 18.20%. 2 decimal places. Okay. All right. That's all. That's the first one. So this company made 18.20% discount on the original price. So after making this discount, now its cash price is 1,798. Question B. What is the difference between the higher purchase price and the original price? Right? And what is the difference between the higher purchase price and the original price? So that is the original price. This one is the higher purchase price. So the difference is, let me just write here, difference is equal to original price minus higher purchase price. Original price is 2198. Higher purchase price is 38 times $55, which is equal to 2198 minus 38 times 55, which is equal to $108. $108. Okay. What is the difference between the higher purchase price and the original price? Original price was 2198 and higher purchase price is this 138 times $55. It says no deposit. That's why we are not adding deposit. So it's equal to $108. Hello, Zanita?